They're dragging you back to the office, but did you know you could sue them for it? RTO mandates could be illegal. Dell banned remote workers from promotions in 2025, even if they outperformed in-office staff. That's a potential EEOC violation, disparate treatment. A New Jersey teacher with long COVID was fired for requesting remote accommodation, later awarded $285,000 in an ADA settlement. In California, employers must reimburse remote workers for home Wi-Fi, phone, and even electricity under Labor Code RR 22802. Many don't, and that's illegal. Surveillance abuse is real. Workers have been monitored via keystroke loggers, webcam access, and mouse trackers without informed consent. That could violate wiretap laws in over 12 states. Real story. A Colorado warehouse worker refused RTO due to asthma, was terminated, and won reinstatement and back pay under FMLA retaliation protections. 1. ADA power move. If you suffer from anxiety, PTSD, migraines, or chronic illness, even burnout diagnosed by a doctor, you may qualify for remote work as a reasonable accommodation under the Americans with Disabilities Act. Tip: your boss can't legally deny a valid request without engaging in an interactive process. 2. FMLA retaliation. If you've taken protected leave, medical, caregiving, mental health, your employer cannot punish you by forcing an unwanted work setup. Document everything and file with the U.S. Department of Labor if they retaliate. 3. Unequal enforcement equals discrimination. If some people are allowed to work remote and others are forced in without objective criteria, that could trigger a Title VII claim, race, gender, or age bias. Real case. A black female employee in Georgia sued for being forced back while white colleagues stayed remote and settled out of court. 4. Surveillance violations. If you're being tracked without notice audio, webcam, screen time, and you're in states like California, New York, Illinois, or Pennsylvania, your employer could be violating two-party consent laws. Recordings and keyloggers can cross into criminal territory if not disclosed. 5. Forced RTO. Demand hardship review. If returning to the office causes financial, family, or medical hardship, request a review and submit it in writing. Make them prove it's business essential. If they can't justify it, document and dispute. You're not resisting change. You're protecting your health, your family, and your rights. The office didn't save you during COVID. You saved them. Don't let them forget that. They want loyalty. You want survival. Comment FLEX if you want the free 2025 Remote Work Legal Survival Guide. You'll get a downloadable checklist, sample ADA request letter, and list of states where surveillance equals lawsuit. Tag a friend they're trying to force back. It's time to fight smart.